is Allah Ta'ala says, Rabbul Mashriqaini wal Rabbul Maghribain. I am the Lord of the two easts and the two wests. فَبِأَيِّ عَلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which of the blessings of your master will you both, men and jinn, deny? So another scientific miracle in the Quran. Now when you read this ayah as a translation, it's really hard to understand what Allah Ta'ala means by when he says, I am the Lord of the two easts and of the two wests. This was only years later when scientists discovered something really magnificent. It was that the earth is not flat, it's round, and that the earth goes around the sun. So as you all know, the sun changes position. So there's two opinions by the scholars in this regard to the two easts and the two wests. So I'll share the first opinion with you, okay? So scientifically we know that the earth takes 365 days to go around the sun. Okay, so there are points every day. So the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. But the sun doesn't exactly rise from one point every day. Its point in the east change, okay? It's only twice a year that the sun rises exactly from the east and sets exactly in the west, okay? And this day comes twice in 1 year. And this day is called the day of equinox, okay? So this day is on the 20th of March to the 23rd of March. This day could occur in a year. And what this day means is that the night and the day are of equal length. Okay, so there's a position that the earth reaches when going around the sun, that the sun comes out, the sun rises exactly from the east, exactly like literally the angle is straight. Okay, it's not like 40 degrees to the left or 50 degrees or 70 degrees to the right. So exactly on a 90-degree angle it comes out from the east and it sets exactly in the west at the same time. And the second time this year comes, this day comes in the year, is between the 21st of September to the 24th of September. So on average it could be the 23rd of September, where the day and night are of equal length, and this is also known as a day of equinox. Okay, now similarly, as we have equal nights and days in 1 year, there are 2 days that are known as the days of solstice, and this is when the day is the longest and the night is the shortest, and the other time the night is the longest and the day is the shortest. So it switches, it's different according to where you're living on the equator, so whether you're in the north hemisphere or the southern hemisphere. But so the days of solstice, mostly the longest day in a year could be on the 21st of June, and the shortest day of the year could be the 21st or the 25th of December. Okay, so this is the first opinion. So Allah Ta'ala scientifically proves that in 1 year there are 2 exact easts and 2 exact wests. So in the days of equinoxes, so there's 2 days of equinox. So on those 2 days of the year, Rabbul Mashriqaini, so I am the Lord of the 2 easts. So the days in the year when the sun rises exactly from the east and sets exactly in the west. So the days that occur in March and September are the days of equinoxes. So this is the first opinion. Now the second opinion is with common sense. So again, when scientists discovered that the earth is not flat and it's round, and we have a 24-hour cycle, and in that 24 cycle we have a sunset and a sunrise and a sunset. So it's common sense that the earth is round, okay? So if the sun rises on one side of the earth, the sun is setting for the exactly other side. So similarly, in 24 hours, if we have a sunrise, on the other side of the world, someone is having a sunset. And if we are having a sunset, and then exactly on the other side of the world, someone is having a sunrise. So in a 24-hour cycle in this world, the sun sets twice and rises twice for people living on opposite sides of the earth. So I hope that makes sense. So subhanallah, these kind of examples, scientifically proven, only exist in very few scriptures, and again Quran is the strongest when it comes to science and knowledge. So may we all take heed, and again Allah Ta'ala says how beautiful it is that everyone in this world experiences sunrise and sunset. Well, it doesn't matter on which side of the globe you live. So Allah Ta'ala is the Lord of the 2 easts and the 2 wests. So please learn from this. Allah Ta'ala teaches you a lot. I didn't know about the days of equinoxes and solstice until I read Surah Rahman, and I wasn't aware of the fact that it's common sense that if I'm having a sunset and then on the other side of the world, the sun's rising for them as well. So I took a lot of knowledge from this. Hope you take away this as well. I'm sorry for the inconvenience that happened, and this was a part of my Surah Rahman part 1, but I would be uploading this, I uploaded this now, but I would be posting it out to the people who already saw, so that they can catch up. Please share with your family and friends. I would be uploading more lectures, more surahs soon, filled with scientific evidence, knowledge, and historic background. Let's expand our knowledge of the Quran. Quran is a miracle and a message at the same time. Let us take some heed. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you have a lovely day.